The stars of What Ka Lang Mawawala. And the queen of Pinoy soap operas, Casey and Sam. This is the first time na ang roles ninyo parang bida kontra bida. How was that experience? First time talaga, no?
Ako, Tito Gary, gusto ko talagang pumasok sa school day. Pumasok sa work every day. I wanted to come to work every day kasi this is like the best cast, the best crew, the best production creative team that you can work with. And I wanted to come to work every day because this was so special. Napaka-memorable po. Kinainisan niyo ako, no? Si Alexis, no?
Ikaw, amazing learning experience talaga. Itong first time na, you know, I was able to push myself more, get out of my comfort zone, and grabe yung experience nito. And I want to thank you for choosing me. Grabe, sobrang proud ako dito sa teleserye ito. At maraming salamat po sa lahat na sumusuporta sa Mawawala.
Naniniwala ako that when an artist works with another great artist, talagang lumalabas ang galing.
Yes! Thank you, Ate!
Judy Ann, I believe in what they're saying na ikaw ay naging bahagi sa kanilang mga magagaling na performances. But among all the teleseries that you've done, ano sa palagay mo ang dahilan kung bakit ito naging special o medyo kakaiba sa lahat ng mga ibang?
Siguro kasi masyado akong involved sa kabuuan when we were starting to build the cast. Guys. Nung binubuo namin yung cast, nag-represent sa akin yung buong istorya. I knew already that it's gonna be a very, very special teleserye kasi hindi siya kasing dami ng cast, pero very, very powerful. And I knew from the start
Actually, I think a lot of people have really seen exactly what you said. Is there anything else you want to add?
Yeah, syempre ako po gusto ko pong pasalamatan lahat ng kapamilya na hindi naman lang kami panonood ng mga napakataas na ratings na binigay sa amin. Maraming salamat po on behalf of the cast, Ms. Susan Africa, Mr. Dirce Cruz, Circus, Tony Reyes, Matat de Leon, Maylin Dizon, John Estrada, Brian Bermudo, Joseph Marco, and Press.
Siyempre yung mga guest stars namin, si Miss Gretchen Barreto and Miss Amelia Fuentes, maraming salamat po. Huwag po kayong bibitiw sa huling linggo na Huwag Ka Lang Mawawala sa primetime nila. Tapos ang puso na puso.
Great experience for the whole cast, especially for me. Of course, Dreamscape, thank you so much for fulfilling our dreams. That's why you are called Dreamscape. Sir Teo, mahal ka namin. Maraming salamat. Miss Judy Ann, Sir Rundel, at sa lahat ng napaka-katalinong writers. Huwag Ka Lang Mawawala. Maraming salamat. Miss Dana, Miss Cathy, all production staff and crew, sa lahat po talaga na tumulong sa amin na mapagbuti ng teleserye. Of course, Mother B-Boy and the whole AdProm, thank you so much for taking care of us from start to end. Of course, our wonderful directors, Direk Manu Sevilla, Direk Jerry Sinene, and Direk Tots Mariscal Sanchez. Mga kapamilya, ito na po ang huling linggo ng Huwag Ka Lang Mawawala. Kumapit na po kayo. Marami po kayo aabangan. Huwag kayong magkakape.
want to thank you, Sir Gary, for singing the theme song.
Natanggap ko talaga yun. But you know what, folks? This is the cast of Wag Ka Lang Mawawala. Pero huwag kayong mawawala because as of 18, we'll be right back.